The customer service team of a B2B SaaS company struggled with slower than desired response times and complicated case queues. The client used a specific case record type for each client, and their case assignment rules used those record types to determine which user should be assigned the case. This setup resulted in the need for multiple list views. Service agents had to switch between these list views in order to determine which cases needed to be worked and in what order. To address these issues, Fast Motion set up Omni-Channel, taking multiple assignment rules and assigning them all to the Omni-Channel queue. Based on the needs of the client, we used the capacity model rather than skills-based routing, and used the most available routing configuration. The Omni-Channel setup significantly simplified their case assignment process. In addition, the client wanted their service agents to work on the cases on a first-in, first-out basis, so we created a My Case working queue based on when the last email was received from their customer. To ensure that cases are being worked on a first-in, first-out basis, we created a timer using Process Builder. The hours since last email field uses the reference date generated by the timer. The field resets when an email is responded to, and the case is moved to the bottom of the queue. We also created a response threshold field, which provides visual cues within our list view for cases that have crossed critical time thresholds. Now, service agents can work from a single list view, which is filtered to show only open cases that are assigned to that service agent, list the cases in the order they should be worked, and provides visual cues for cases that have been in the queue too long. Also, since the client has several support email addresses, they wanted to make sure that emails sent by service agents would be sent from the correct email address. In order to accomplish this, we added a field on the account record and a related validation rule on the email message object. The validation rule ensures that customers always receive emails from the correct email address. Finally, we created a case resolution dashboard to address the concerns they had about validating and justifying their use of Salesforce. Metrics included average case resolution time and other basic metrics they can use to measure their progress. The client service agents can now work from one list view instead of switching between multiple list views, and case efficiency has increased as cases are now automatically queued on a first-in, first-out basis. The client also has more visibility into their customer service performance. At Fast Motion, we've helped hundreds of growing businesses improve their operations and deliver better results by implementing and enhancing Salesforce. For more information about us, please visit our website at fastslowmotion.com and be sure to read our client reviews on AppExchange.